Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately. Open Vscode and confirm you're on a recent build because extension APIs change. Once done, open the Extensions panel with Ctrl+Shift+X. This places you where extensions are managed. Make sure to be signed into your account so settings or paid features sync. Now search for Json. You want official or highly rated extensions. Press Enter to view details. Check compatibility and last update before installing, because that prevents future conflicts. You install by clicking Install. You'll notice some extensions require reload. Do that to activate immediately. Once installed, open any JSON file so the extension can initialize language features like validation and schemas. Then open Settings, Ctrl+, to tweak behaviors, auto-format on save, schema associations, or validation severity. Make sure to read the extension's README for specific settings keys. You'll copy them into settings, JSON when needed, and adjust workspace for. You'll finish by validating functionality. Open a sample. JSON, trigger format, and autocomplete, and confirm the extension snippets work. If something fails, make sure the extension is enabled for the workspace and then reload window to clear transient issues. If problems persist, open Output and Developer Tools console to find error messages. They often show missing schema URLs or permission issues. Finally, update the extension or reinstall, and report reproducible errors to the publisher if the issue remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.